wrong again. Going up right towards Greenwood. Can you put a new max alert on this? Just going further out to the north. But not confirmed. Just high confidence. It's going to go right up US Highway 71, going towards the west side of Greenwood, Surgeon Road, Mount Zion Road, and then down the line, trying to go up towards Fort Smith and Barling. That is a really tight couplet, though. I legitimately do not understand how this is still not warned. Greenwood. Direct Greenwood. Right? Trying to confirm. Warned. Even then, I'm pretty sure, I mean, Arkansas is under a threat of severe weather, right? No, they're not. All right, well, that might be why. Maybe they have don't have as many staff as there should be, but latest scan, the debris signature is a bit smaller, so pretty quick tornado, but nonetheless, it could recycle as it moves north, going towards Greenwood.